Alright, this video is for information about vacuum. So my newest subscribers probably haven't gone back and looked through all my videos and came through some of my recommendations, so I'm doing somewhat of a remake. These are the videos you may want to watch, and the personnel that you want to record their YouTube channels and put them and subscribe to them and look at their other channels for vacuum. Right now I'm going to recommend you, these are both by Jim Bergman. This is Jim Bergman's latest video on describing flow of vacuum. And let me get that down. So go down to right now, this is he made a video for AccuTools. So this is under AccuTools. They make valve core tool removing tools, and he's explaining here about flow in vacuum pumps. So watch, actually subscribe to his. He is also, here's Jim Bergman again. And let me kill this one. This is Measure Quick. So watch Jim Bergman's vacuum videos about vacuum. And this is for the guys in automotive, because you're not going to get this kind of training in your little one-day classes about air conditioning and stuff like that. They just don't teach this. They think it's not necessary. We're talking the most uneducated people training some of the most uneducated people in our business, unfortunately. And it's all about how quick and how fast you can do it and how cheap you can do it, the least amount of work to collect money. This is another level. This is the stuff that my dad taught me before high school, so this is really old information. So here's Jim Bergman again, and this is Measure Quick. So let me zoom in on that so you can actually look at that Measure Quick. Look how it's spelt. Look at the insignia. Look at AccuTools. And there's also, he's done videos for True Tech Tools. That's another one. And so you'll find Jim Bergman around for many companies doing specific videos, a lot of them on vacuum and vacuum pumps. And so, okay, so on this one here, more vacuum principles. And this one's an hour, just a little over an hour long. So this is an intense, all about vacuum. He made a bunch of short videos. This is a lot of his short videos put into one long video. So my new subscribers and the last few guys who just bought the S-Man 480V in this last 2 or 3 weeks, who contacted me either through my phone number, through my email, or directly through YouTube, you guys go watch these videos so you can better understand the purpose and methods of using your S-Man 480V refrigerant manifold. That's all this video is about, is giving you links to better information, to better understand your piece of equipment you just bought. Another one is, these are field piece. You bought field piece, where is it at? You bought the field piece S-Man 480. So go to the field piece website. And by going to the field piece website, there's more videos on how to use this. Learn how to use your tool. That's all I got to say, is just learn how to use your tool. Alright guys, I'll see you later. These two guys, or this one guy, Jim Bergman, also go to the website. Another one you can do, if you're really interested, is if you want to know more about superheat, subcooling, electricity and stuff, Engineering Mindset. So Engineering Mindset is another very good one. So if you want to know more about a lot of stuff about air conditioning that might be commercial air conditioning or residential, but you can relate it over to automotive. What you pick out of commercial and residential air conditioning, you can pull that information and directly dump it into your knowledge of automotive. This is one of the problems with our industry, in the automotive side of industry. They're really self-centered, really short-sighted, and don't go out of the realm. And anything that is a little different to the automotive guys, a lot of them, especially in the education system, they're really kind of short-sighted. And I go, oh, that's too difficult, that's too complicated, or that's too expensive. They always have excuses. The automotive guys make me sick. I'm sorry, I'm in the field, but they're just freaking disgusting, some of them. They're lacking. Then there's those few shining stars who want to learn more and teach their students more in automotive vocational schools and high schools and city colleges. And then there's those who just want to do the minimum and nothing more. Here's another one. AC Service Tech LLC. This is another one. If you're in automotive air conditioning, go watch this guy and apply everything you learn from him in air conditioning and start learning about it, and drag that information over to automotive, because you won't go get it from your instructors in automotive. I actually was very fortunate because my dad taught me everything these guys taught me. He started me at 12 years old learning this. By 15, I had to know basically the first version of these kind of books, like this, and like this, and like this. The ones that were from back in the 70s and 80s. He started me at 12, and by the time I was 15, I was through with them and was able to answer all the answers and the questions and answers. Yeah, my dad was kind of hard on me. I hated it at first when I was young, but now I'm glad he was like that. So that's it on this video. AC Service Tech LLC, Jim Bergman, Engineering Mindset. That's good enough for now. If you want to know more, you got to go hunt back in my earlier videos where I gave more links to other guys to watch. But this will keep your plate full for right now, and you'll learn more about vacuum in the next few days of watching these videos than you did your whole entire life. That's all. See you guys.